My name is Donnie Tapey, and I work with MedShare Technologies in Dallas, Texas. We're one of the largest distributors of used cosmetic devices worldwide. Today, with me, I have the Cutera Zeo. This is just one of many devices we have in our 10,000 square foot showroom. We offer financing, same-day shipping. We also have service technicians inspect each device prior to shipment so that you know you're getting a quality product. We also have a no questions asked return policy for physicians in the United States. So give us a call today or email us so that we can provide you with the equipment that you need at an affordable price.